I just think this is a little funny because how I always document how my stuff turns out. January 13th, 2022. This was the saucepan for tonight. It's 11:53 p.m. Going for January 14th, 2022. Well, green lentil. Wait. Hold on, not green lentil first. It's chickpea, tofu, ricotta, green lentil lasagna with more sweet marinara, tomato sauce. Turned out absolutely amazing tonight. Really good. I had a little taste. I've yet to eat it. With the potato starch as a thickener, the brown rice milk powder, soy milk powder. It's good. Oh my god. That's good. Look at that. I was going to make penny pasta and some Gardein chickenless chicken with the stinky, homemade vegan parmesan that smells like stinky hosiery, but not tonight. This is good enough. This. Turned out really good tonight. I did process the tofu and chickpeas a little differently tonight. Put the can of chickpeas in first in the mini food processor. Then I had cubed up a block of tofu. But before I included the other ingredients, I had used a different brand of tofu, which had a bit more density. It was extra firm variety tofu that I usually favor, whereas for a while I was getting the firm tofu. But the brand that I bought, it was really dense for some reason, so I had to puree it partially with just the chickpeas and the tofu alone at first. Then I had included about 5 large cloves of garlic, followed by the nutritional yeast. Oh wait, no, hold on. The 5 cloves of garlic. Then I had included about 5 level tablespoons of olive oil and only about 3 level tablespoons of balsamic. Sometimes I used to add more, but it was only about 3 tonight with the 5 level tablespoons of olive oil. The garlic, the tofu, and chickpeas, I then pureed it a little extra. Beyond just the tofu and chickpeas being pureed partially. And then I had included the nutritional yeast, coarsely ground Himalayan pink salt, about a level teaspoon of that, followed by coarsely ground black pepper